What we do isn't just about the milk. It's about supporting the local farmers and about the people that pour their lives into every single glass. I was born into a dairy farming family. Gippsland Jersey is an honour project for my dad. I wanted to honour my father as the pioneer of the dairy industry and to create a brand that he would be super proud of if he was here. Gippsland is known as the heartland of dairy. We produce amazing world-class milk that then we get to turn into beautiful butter and cream and cheese. We just love what we do. For me, collaboration is such a big part of my life, and I see it as the fabric of everything that I do. I believe that Gippsland is the food bowl of Australia.